it's time for us to show you the freebies that makes us happy. We are customers. We want to get what we pay for. This is all the freebies that came. They didn't give us one, not two, not three, 6 freebies. 6 freebies. Now tell me, which company will you buy phone from and they'll give you all these freebies? Will you get this from Apple? Will you get it from Samsung? If you're using Samsung or you've been sticking with Apple, you're losing something. Believe me. Now, let's start with this. This is 5.1 or 5-in-1 power box. Let's see what came up. I have not opened these things, so I have no idea what is inside. So I'm going to open with you right now. Okay, this is extra charger. I don't think this charger came from Vivo, but it's okay. Eventually, your Vivo charger will spoil and you have to buy a new one. So this is external, which will help you to keep your original charger safe. And here we go. This is earphone, but without the phone jack, you won't be able to use this earphone. But they have extension for us. I will show you later. They have extension for us, yes. And this comes from the company that we bought from, the retailer. And again, extension. So yes, it is good. Vivo, this is out of their generosity. It's coming from them. And it's not yet Christmas yet. This is not your birthday, but anytime you buy, you get these things. So with a price, as I mentioned to you before, and getting this, yeah, it's not bad. Freebie number 2. This freebie number 2 I'm going to talk about, it's really important. You must listen. Now, this freebie number 2, it's mostly accompanied with a phone. Whenever you buy a new one, you buy that too. And that is power bank. Our freebie number 2 is power bank. Power bank. They gave us a power bank, which, yeah, we were planning on buying a new power bank and we got it. This is freebie number 2, our power bank. Yeah, it looks nice. That is 1000 milliamp power, which is really good. Yes. So freebie number 2, it's not bad. It's original, I can see. Yes, power bank. So please pay attention. All this is coming to you today. SDC Tech, we are sharing. We are sharing. So stick with us until we are done. Number 3 is going to be another mind-blowing. I want you to pay attention to that. And that is Bluetooth speaker, smart wireless Bluetooth speaker. That is very convenient. Wherever you are, it goes with you. This is really good. You may not want to buy it, but yes, it looks beautiful, nice. Can we turn it on? Let's see. Yep. Aha.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Now you get your Bluetooth right now. Freebie number 4. Freebie number 4. It's something. When I was going around, I saw this device and I'm like, oh, this is nice. Can't we try to get one? not knowing Vivo was giving us one already. And that is Clean Board. Clean Board. This is number 4. Okay, let's open it and see. All this today is just a flash for us to know, for you to know that we're giving you something. We will come up for a proper review. Oops, it looks lighter. Yep. Okay, so this is our cleaner. Nan is going up. Let's see. There you go. Freebie number 4. Freebie number 4. It's here. Clean your spaces and your area. There. If you've never used a clean board or a board before, this is another way to try it. Okay. So yes, our freebie number 4 is gone. Now, our next freebie, it's freebie number 4 wants to keep working, you know. The energy is there. The spirit is high. Okay, freebie number 4. Let's pack them here. Now, we have no idea what this is, so I'm going to put this one for our last freebie before we end this video. Our number 5 goes with a bag. Now, these bags, yes, you can buy them in the market or anything, but it's good when you pay something and you get something back. This is freebie number 5. Let's see what's inside. Okay, if you want to buy a bag, now you get one. The last freebie comes from the company themselves, and that is in this box. This is our surprise here. Don't run away. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us. If you're interested in what we do here, if you have already subscribed and you haven't, click on the notification, kindly do so. And this gift, it's from 23E 5G, the Vivo product that we bought. And they are saying a premium gift. So with a premium gift, let's see what this premium gift is all about. Are you ready? We are going to see this by ourselves. Okay. There you go. Wow. This is the freebie premium gift. Freebie number 6. I told you. They are very generous. Let's try again. We're going to check in there. What is that? And what can we do with this? Ooh, this is nice. So, is it a flashlight or something? Huh. Oh, okay. I know what this is. I think it's a spray can. When you put your water or let's say oil in it or something, and it will just give you a nice aroma in the room. You can sleep nicely going. So, and they give us Vivo keychain. Vivo keychain. Okay. And last one will be a speaker. A speaker. Vivo speaker. This is nice. Good. It's on.
Bluetooth mode.
You get 2 Bluetooths. Guys, this has been a good experience today with what we have shown you and what you've seen here. Vivo's generosity. This is the title of our video today. Stay with us. Until then, we say bye-bye. This is Casteeve and SDC Tech. Bye-bye.